Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. In previous video, we already have learned about the skeletal system. Now today we are going to learn one more important system, and the name of the system is digestive system. Okay? So what we are going to learn today, students? The second system, and its name is digestive system. So this is the digestive system of human body. Okay. So this digestive system is made up of different organs. So what are the different organs, students? So as you can see here, first mouth, or we can call buccal cavity also. So you can keep in mind this is the mouth and mouth cavity. Second part of digestive system, that is esophagus. O is silent, students, not esophagus. Esophagus, or you can call food pipe. What you can call food pipe. This is the second name of esophagus, a tube-like pipe-like structure present in neck region in the stomach part. So that is the esophagus or food pipe. Pharynx. Okay, this part, as you can see, pharynx. First part mouth, esophagus. Third part stomach. Okay, third part stomach, a bag-like structure present, that is called the stomach. Then after stomach, intestine. So two kinds of intestines are there. First one is small intestine, that is the fourth one part I am never here, and then large intestine. So this is the fifth one. After intestine, rectum and anus. Okay, so this is the sixth one part, rectum, and the seventh one part, anus. So these are the different parts of the digestive systems, or the organs of the digestive systems, which are connected to each other and form a digestive systems. Clear, students? So one more time, see here. So the question sometime may come to you. Write the different parts of the digestive system. Okay, or label the different parts of the digestive system. So these parts you have to label. Now see, this is the figure of gallbladder, and one more figure is there of pancreas. Okay, so pancreas is the gland, okay, which secretes the juices, okay, which act on the food and digest it. Now we will see the one by one this part, and it's important. So first part we are going to see, that is mouth. Do you know, students? Inside our mouth, teeth are there. Okay. So this mouth. Now see the first part, mouth. When we put the food into our mouth, so that food crushed by this teeth-like structure, okay. So mechanically the teeth crush the food into the smaller pieces, and that smaller pieces mixed with saliva and form a paste. Okay. So when this saliva means what, students? Saliva means a liquid produced in our mouth which keeps our mouth wet. So this saliva, actually the breakdown of food starts in our mouth only due to the saliva. Okay, so starch converts into sugar. So that conversion of starch into sugar takes place in our mouth only. So what is the main function of this mouth and mouth cavity? Breakdown of food into smaller pieces and mixed with the saliva. So when the food mixed with saliva from a paste and that paste pushed into the esophagus or swallowed by the food pipe. Okay, so here you can see the food pipe. So what is this food pipe? So food pipe is nothing, it is like a tube like structure. Okay, pipe like structure which connects mouth to the stomach. This is the tube like structure present between the mouth cavity and stomach. And what is the function? इसका main function क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? The main function of this food pipe to carry the paste of food or swallowed food. Okay? To carry the food from mouth into the stomach. इसका main function ये है स्टूडेंट कि जो भी पेस्ट फॉर्म हुई है माउथ में वो पेस्ट माउथ से लेके डायरेक्ट स्टमक तक लेके जाएगा. Okay, so this is the main function of food pipe. Food pipe is also called esophagus. The second name is esophagus. O is very silent here, so you can pronounce esophagus. Okay, student. Now see what happens when food enter into the stomach. So when food enter into the stomach, so before see as well. Now stomach is like a U-shaped bag, okay, or the J-shaped bag can also call. So when the food enter into the stomach, so stomach secretes the juices. Whatever the inner lining of stomach. Inner lining is what? Inner lining is that internal wall, inside wall of stomach. Secretes. Secretes means what, students? Produce. So the inner lining of stomach produce digestive juices, hydrochloric acid. Okay. So these hydrochloric acid, digestive juices act on food. What happens? These digestive juices act on food and convert this solid food into the soluble form of food. ये जो स्टमक है इसके अंदर डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस होते हैं स्टूडेंट और उनका काम क्या है कि जो भी डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस है वो फूड को फिर से ब्रेक डाउन करके उसको सॉल्युबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सॉल्युबल फॉर्म मींस व्हिच कैन डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, ओके, और ब्लड. So once the food is complete, once the food is converted into soluble form, so that food sent to the small intestine. जब ये food soluble form में होता है, protein digested here inside stomach only. So these soluble food or liquid food go to the next part of our digestive system, that is the small intestine. Small intestine also produce the juices that again act on the soluble form of food, and the inner lining of small intestine absorb the nutrients with the help of blood vessels, and these blood vessels carry the nutrients which are absorbed from digested food and sent to the various parts of cell where it is necessary or needed. So what is the main function of small intestine, students? To absorb the nutrients from the digested food. The complete digestion of food takes place in small intestine. This is very important point for NSO students. The complete digestion. The first thing, the digestion starts from the mouth and it ends in small intestine. Clear? Now the further food or the undigested food or the further food sent to the large intestine. So semi-solid food sent to the large intestine. In large intestine, water is only absorbed by large intestine. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में जब फूड चला जाता है तो क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का रोल एक ही है, वो ओनली दे एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर, वो खाली वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और जैसे फूड में से वाटर एब्जॉर्ब होता है तो वो फूड सॉलिड बनता है, दैट इज अनडाइजेस्टेड. ओके, तो वाटर एब्जॉर्ब हो गया, अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड रिमेन एज इट इज. That undigested food then sent to the rectum. Rectum means what? This part you know students, ये जो rectum होता है यहाँ पे undigested food store होता है. Okay, this is the one storage center of undigested food. And once the storage center is completely filled by the undigested food, then that undigested food sent outside the body with the one part, and the name of that part is anus. Okay, so anus is the part through which the undigested food sent outside the body. Clear students? So this is about our digestive system. Okay, so here you can see students, glands are there. So very important question, sometimes they may ask in your exam, especially NSO, which is the largest gland in our body. So liver is the largest gland in our body. Liver, pancreas, okay, these are the glands. These glands play very important role in the digestion because they produce the digestive juices. What is meant by digestive juices? So digestive juices are the chemical substance which break down the complex food into the simpler substances. Understood? So this is about our digestive system. Okay students? So you prepare the diagram, labeling and the functions of various parts. Okay students? So I hope you have understood today's part of our digestive system. In next video, we will continue the next system in our video.